Hello, this is Saraka. This is a new variety of video I'm going to be doing. It is what you'll be hearing are completely random, digitally generated drones and sounds so that I can avoid copyright infringement and third-party songs or music. It should just continue playing for over 7 minutes. If it takes that long, then it takes that long. If not, I will just fade out the music and stop. And you're going to be getting blasted with Akadua and light language as it presents itself. These are Chakra videos. I won't say which chakra it's working on until the end. And if you're a musician, then you'd be able to just go to a piano and figure out what note this is, or know which note this is, and know what chakra it is anyway. So here we go. Siramanta Moshmadi Lundar Bokoy and Lomorama Same, de Betepetkin, Gurova, de America, City, Fisamanta Kadwin, Guruda, the Reshe, the Vesicatiat, Manda, Nakadana, and the Rats, Seba to Godino, Gurmaka, Varas, the Semin, the Gavaras, DC, Bigum Gruyan, oh, and then the Gavaras, the Sebekiti, the America, the Varas, the Merasaprato, the Scrivetsky Manchiat. Morzini Fesino, the Ramacarvarazzi, the Semagavarasi, someone con Ramarazzi, was immediately Unga Pararazzi, Samacumo, Mugarazzi, Maravezzi, the Semigavarazzi, the Socodian, no one Shamadorazzi, the Sicilian, Madi, Wundara Barawasi, Mukweo, no Ukavarezzi, the Samaguan of Makistian. So that was D major, and you can use these as little chakra tune-ups, these videos. That's what they're for, and they're free for everybody.